Hello, gorgeous. This is Melanie here from Makeup by Melanie B and Melanie B's Unique Boutique. And you know what? That is a mouthful. Lord, I'm just going to start saying one or the other because if you go to Makeup by Melanie B, it's going to send you over to the other one anyway. So, and it's in the description, so you know it's just redundant at this point. Okay, so what I want to show you today is the new Coastal Collection Summer Love. Now the other day I brought you Summer Fun and I wanted to show you the difference between the two like this. Now they look very similar with this lighting, but this one that we tried on the other day is more of a, it's almost got a hint of fluorescence to it. Like, I don't know if that's the right word for it, but you see what I'm saying? The Summer Love is a little more muted pink, and that's what we're doing today is Summer Love. This is the new one I got in. Now, you guys don't kill me, but I need to let you know that even though they just released this collection like a week ago, the nude pink is already sold out, which I'm so disappointed because I did not get one. But you know, maybe they'll bring it back in the future. I do have a video that I've made my own nude pink, and so I think it is fabulous, and I will bring that back for you very soon. And the other thing is that the Sweet Pea gloss that I showed in my last video is unfortunately sold out too. And that was a collection that came out, that was part of a collection that came out right before Mother's Day. And you can still buy the collection, and the collection has the blue gloss, the golden iris gloss, the sweet pea gloss, those three new ones, and then it's also got orchid, bougainvillea, and rose, which are fabulous. So if you guys don't already have those glosses, that's a really good deal. Normally it's $120. I am offering it for a little cheaper, so if you guys want to contact me, you have to go to the group, or you can message me through my website and ask me what the special price is, because I can still order that, and that is the only way right now that you can get Sweet Pea gloss. So having said all that, let's get started with some Summer Love. Now this one just looks even more pink deliciousness than the other one, because I don't know, they're both pretty delicious. You know, I'm just so excited. Okay, so let's get started. Let me see if I can find my mirror. This is always so fun when I have my mirror and it gets right up in your face, you know, and it's like in the camera and you can't see what's going on. And okay. All right, so guys, you know, I'm going in with super thin layers because I do want to keep this from flaking off. I'm gonna go in with just barely anything on my wand. I'd rather do 4 or 5 super thin layers than 3 thick ones and have it flake off and look disgusting by the end of the day. All right, let's go. Make sure I'm not in front of the camera with the mirror. You saw I'm wearing a little pink shirt for you today. Actually, it's like an off-the-shoulder shirt, but I didn't want to look like I was naked. And I want y'all thinking, ooh, almost 50-year-old woman naked on video? Ooh. So I didn't do it to you. Oh, geez, Louise, that is a beautiful shade of pink. Now, I didn't mention this. This has a little frost to it, but it's such a subtle frost that it's not like that really bold, frosty look like mauve ice. And yes, I said mauve. Wait, oh, let's go there. Okay, so I did a video, and I'm gonna stop for a second, sorry. I digress. I did a video. And you know, most of the time I get some super sweet comments. I really do. And I do this for you guys. Like, I don't do this for me. I don't get anything from making videos for you guys. So I always appreciate the positive comments because I'm taking my own time to video and to record and to edit and upload and all that kind of stuff. And I'm not getting money from it. So just so we can say that. So I do this as a favor. Like, I really want to share these things with you guys. So when somebody leaves me a negative comment, I'm just like, step off, go somewhere else. Like, I'm sure there's other people you can go annoy. Like, if you have nothing better to do with your life than to be negative towards someone because they're trying to help you, then you can step away from my channel right now. But the rest of you guys are fabulous and you're super kind. Well, one day I had done a video on mauve ice, and the person, and she might have been like meaning well, I'm not real sure, but she posted the dictionary link. It's just the link, no comment, nothing, other than just the link to the Oxford Dictionary that said that the pronunciation of mauve is actually mauve. Well, let us go ahead and address that. In America, it is mauve all day long. And I can show you the Webster's Dictionary version of mauve. And everyone I've ever spoken to that is American and was raised in America says mauve. So now that that's cleared up, you guys can say whatever you want to say in your own country. But when you're in my country, we say it mauve. You know, when in Rome, do as the Romans do. When in America, you say mauve. And if you live in the South, some people say mauve. So at least I don't do that. All right, let's move on. Okay, so I love you guys. Thank you for listening to my rambling. I think our layer is dry. What do you think? All right, let's go in with our second and third and layer, whatever layer we want to do. Second layer. All right, you guys, oh my gosh, please get this one before it sells out. This one and some are fun. Like, they look different. I know they look similar. I'm just like, oh my God. Okay, so the other day I said Summer Fun was my signature color. I think this one and that one are gonna just be like competing all the time. Like, this one is amazing pink. I'm so glad I got this one. Okay, all right. Back to the mauve thing. I gotta say this one more time. One more thing. I'm 48 years old. If you really think that you're going to tell me how to pronounce something at 48 and it's gonna stick with me, probably not gonna happen. And in fact, if you try to correct me, I'm probably just gonna say it the wrong way for spite. So it's a waste of your time to go and look up the link and post it and all that stuff. And if you have that much time on your hands, maybe it's time for a new hobby. You're just saying. All right, I'm a great person, y'all swear. I can't stand bullies and like people who are just negative and nasty for no reason. I've had enough crap happen in my life. You know, when my son was killed, I was like, that's just BS. Like, don't come at me with BS. I ain't got no time for it. And I have no tolerance for it. All right, layer 3. You have to do it. I have to do it. That, oh my God. Like, that is gorgeous. I can't believe how gorgeous that is. I'm so happy I got this one. If it sold out and I didn't get it, I'd have been so angry at myself. Don't let that happen to you. Do not let this sell out. I'm actually taking orders because I can't seem to keep the ones that I'm ordering in stock, of course. I do think I have 1 or 2 of these coming in and 1 or 2 of Summer Fun that I've ordered. At the point where you're watching this, it could be 6 months from now. I don't know. So it may not even be available when you watch this video. But if it's, look at the date. Today is like June the 17th, I think. Check with me. You know, if it's any time in the next week or 2, it might still be available. Just go look at my website. It should be on there. Or hit me up if it's not, and I can order it. Because by the time you go look, it might have sold out, and I might be waiting for a new shipment, or I might not be ordering more because I don't know if you want it or not. Like, sometimes I don't stock a lot of stuff anymore because sometimes it'll just sit, and I can't afford to just have stuff sitting. Okay, so I'm using Pearl Gloss. And the reason I'm doing that is because I really wanted to use the new Pink Sand Gloss, and I left it in my purse because I wore it yesterday and it looked fabulous. And so I put it in my purse and then I forgot to bring it in here. So I'm using Pearl, but I love the way that looks. I thought it would be a nice subtle change to it without being total change. So that is Summer Love with Pearl Gloss. You guys, please, if you like pink, please get this one. It is fabulous. And I had someone ask me about comparison of, hold on a second, of Kiss Me Katie and Summer Fun. So I'm going to show you right quick the difference between the two, and I'm going to show you the difference between Kiss Me Katie and Summer Love. Kiss Me Katie is much more peachy pink than those two. It is a completely different tone, tint, hue. Hue is with black, but you know what I'm saying. It's a different color than these two, completely different. All right, so if you're debating, you know, oh, I already have Kiss Me Katie, do I really need these 2 pinks? Yes, and I swear it's not because I'm selling it to you. If you want to go get it from another distributor, that's fine. I just think you have to have these in your stash. And when I do my nude pink premix video, you're gonna want Summer Love. I'm just gonna tell you right now. Okay, so here is Kiss Me Katie. Here is Summer Love in the middle. You see the difference? This one's got some more peach to it. And then here is the Summer Fun, which has a little more purplish, kind of a pink, like a bright pink tint to it. So when you look at it that way, you can definitely see the difference. Now, it's funny because these look so much alike, these two, but when you put them on, this doesn't look the same as the one I wore the other day, Summer Fun. So you know, if you have to pick one of the Summer Fun or Summer Love, I really feel bad for you if you have to choose. But I would say Summer Love would probably be my first choice now that I've tried it. I don't know. I love them both. So I really shouldn't advise you on that. Okay, so anyway, you guys, I hope you loved this color. I'm obsessed. And I hope you'll be back. I hope you will join me for the next episode of, you know, I don't know what you call these. Okay, on my next video, I'm going to do a premix. It's going to be fabulous. You're going to love it. So watch for that, okay? And thank you as always for watching.